Welcome back to our channel, where we review the best products to make your life easier. Today, we have an amazing solution for all your kitchen sink disposal problems, the Glisten Garbage Disposer Cleaner and Freshener. Have you ever noticed a foul smell coming from your sink disposal? Or maybe there's a buildup that's affecting its performance? Well, this powerful cleaner and freshener is here to save the day. With its foaming action and lemon scent, you can say goodbye to odors and hello to a clean, fresh kitchen. The specialized foam in this cleaner isn't just for show, it's designed to scrub the disposer's sidewalls, blades, and even under the splash guard, ensuring every nook and cranny is clean and fresh. And with its lasting freshness, you can maintain a pleasant scent in your kitchen every day. The best part? It's incredibly easy to use. Simply use the odor eliminator daily or as needed to keep your disposer, drain, and whole kitchen smelling pleasant. You can refer to the package instructions for the best way to clean your sink garbage disposer. So, if you're tired of dealing with smelly and dirty sink disposals, it's time to make a change. Click the link in the description to get your hands on the Glisten Garbage Disposer Cleaner and Freshener. Trust me, you won't be disappointed. It exceeds all expectations and will leave your kitchen smelling fresh and clean. Don't forget to subscribe for more reviews and tips on keeping your home sparkling.